Are you new to trading and need some guidance, or you've been trading for a while and you feel stuck? Well, in this video, I'm going to be giving you 3 golden tips to become a better Forex trader. Hey guys, my name is Dini and welcome back to my channel. So in this video, we're going to be talking about 3 tips for you to become a better Forex trader. So yeah, stick around in this video. Make sure to smash the like button and hit the subscribe if you're new to the channel. And without any further ado, let's get straight into this. So tip number 1 that I have is very common. You hear this a lot, but you need to have the right mindset when you're trading Forex. Because Forex, believe it or not, is not a quick way for you to make money. It really involves a process of losing trades and winning trades. And so with the mindset, the delusional mindset that a lot of you may have is that you're always going to win. You're always going to make money, and that's not the case. It involves you being unhappy and losing trades, and you being very happy and making money and winning trades. So you need to be prepared for the downside. And so when you don't have the right mindset as a trader, you get blindsided by those losses. And that's why whenever someone asks me to this day, hey Dini, do you recommend I start trading? I ask them if they're mentally capable of trading, and you're able to understand that trading is a long-term game and it's definitely not only wins, then in my opinion, you're going to become a very successful trader. So in the beginning, when I first started, I'll be honest, I always had the mindset that I'll never lose a trade. I came up with strategies that I hoped would be 99% winning trades, and so it didn't turn out to be the case. And so every newbie trader that I talk to, they have this mindset of looking for a better strategy in order to always win, and that leads them to always lose. So I think it goes back to the whole mindset thing. If you have the right mindset, just like any other business out there, there will be losses. So if you have the right mindset, I really believe trading wouldn't be a random thing for you. It would be consistent. You would actually build long term and be successful. Tip number 2, nobody talks about this a lot, but make sure you have revenue or income coming into your life before you think about trading. Believe me, this is the most important one. Don't try to trade with your savings or the only capital that you have left over. That's a bad idea, because again, it goes back to number 1. You have the wrong mindset. You think you can turn your £1,000 savings into £20,000, right? Impossible. Go spend that money on something else, because you're going to give it away to the markets. And so what I recommend, in my opinion, is that you start a business or you get a job. Now, when you have a business or a job, you have money coming in for you to not be so worried about, hey, is my next trade going to be successful? Or you're not going to have the mindset of, I have to always win, because you always have money coming in. And so the mindset shifts. Now it's not about always winning, it's about having that steady growth. So you need to have some sort of an income. You cannot, I don't advise trading with your savings unless you're a multi-millionaire. In that case, it would be different. But in most of the cases that I'm seeing, that a lot of people start trading with $100, $200. That's not a bad idea if you're looking to practice and give that money away, because you will lose with that kind of mindset of, I'm going to start with a small amount and make the most, right? If you're looking to just test the waters, yeah, go ahead. But really and truly, there needs to be money coming in before you look to invest any amounts of money. Now, before we move on to tip number 3, we're going to take a quick sponsor break. Guys, I'm always asked about which broker I should trade with and which broker is trustworthy. And so I have come across a broker that I've been trading with for a few months, and I have been blown away by their spreads and their customer service. They've really looked after me. If you go down on their website, you see they have 4.8 stars on Trustpilot, 4.6 on Forex Peace Army, and they have fast execution. There's more than 30,000 traders on their platform already, and there's a 24/7 online customer support. There's also multiple ways you can deposit and withdraw. You can trade Forex, you can trade share CFDs, you can trade crypto CFDs, you can trade commodities and metals, and you can trade indices. And guess what? I was able to get a special promotion for you guys for the month of September, where they will cover up to 20% in total losses on your initial deposit for whatever trading you do in September. Imagine that they cover 20% in total losses on your initial deposit for whatever trading you do in September. So make sure to click on the link in the description to take advantage of this offer. Links will be down below. Okay, so now tip number 3 is you need to be learning all the time and from the right people. Stop taking every course out there and start, taking the right courses, getting the right knowledge. And why do I say that? I'm not saying this because I have a course and I want you to buy it. That's not what I'm saying. You don't have to buy my course. There's plenty of free knowledge on YouTube and on Google. But the reason why I'm saying this is because when I first started trading, I came in with the mindset of, I'll just do random things on the charts, I'll press trade and see how it turns out. Now, that led me to losing a lot of money. So you can skip the learning curve and also save a ton of money by literally learning from the best. If you want to learn something, you learn from the best. So if I was you, I would be taking the right courses and the right knowledge so I can save the headache. Save a lot of money and skip the learning curve. You don't have to reinvent the wheel. You really don't have to reinvent the wheel. You learn from the right people, and that allows you to apply the right method. So in this case, you can learn a strategy from someone, you can test it, and if it works out, you can actually make money for yourself using that same strategy. So yeah, I recommend you learn at least the basics. You learn the basics, you learn all the things that you need to learn in terms of risk management, which is a big one, right? Risk management, how to protect your money. You learn about mindset, psychology, and you learn about support and resistance, trend lines, and all of the things that you need to actually be on the charts and make it make sense. So I know it's very cliche to say, gain more knowledge, but to be honest, it's the best advice that I have because it allows you to save a lot of time, money, and stress. So yeah, those are my 3 golden tips to becoming a better Forex trader. If you guys learned a lot from this video, all you have to do is smash the like button and leave a comment. And yeah, I'll see you on my next video. Peace.